Okay, so on the first day of wheat harvest in this field, I was able to shoot me like, I don't know, 3 videos and collect some photos as well. And then the farmer guy who was driving the combine had only made a good the farmer guy driving the combine had made a round going this way and another round going that way, and then he went down this way, and then he went out that way, and then made a run up that way, turned around, came back out this way, and then parked the combine just right down there, and he stalled its motor, and then they resumed on the second day, which is when I got to go to the Ag Resource in Declo to Section C, and drop a load of wheat off there. And then it wasn't too much longer after I got home, I started making videos again. And on the third day, which is the day after wheat harvest, they had this field cleared in like 2 days. And on the third day, there was a tractor, a Massey Ferguson 88. There was a Massey Ferguson tractor. The size was 8860, 8,860, and it came in this field with a baler thing, and I watched it make some hay. Fourth day, it was in here like it was only a matter of like 2 days for them to bale all the hay in this field, and then on the 5th day, there was a truck that came in and picked up some baled hay and took it into Declo. And then on the 6th day, it came in here. Nah, not on the 6th day, but 8 days after that first load of baled hay was picked up, about 8 days after the first load of baled hay was picked up, they started picking up some more hay, and then after they picked up the rest of the baled hay, they headed out, and then it wasn't even a week after that, just last week, there was a farmer guy in this field who was disking the dirt, making it look like it is now. And then after he was done doing that, he headed back he headed this way back to his office, his workplace, where he usually goes to clock in and clock out and start his day and end his day. And then after that, we're here making this video and the next video. And then after that, now, life is pretty much good for this field.